going to see which one's better. Awesome that you can get at the dollar store for $1.50, or Spray 9. Are you? Did you just spray me in water?
No.
Or Spray 9, you have to pay like $7 for to clean that greasy rear right there to go into the 69.
Think it's gonna clean up?
I don't know. He bathes in it every day. It's biodegradable.
It is very nice. Conditioning.
Brushes his teeth with it. Show him.
It's not that heavy.
Magnet stuck up its ass. It does not. It's fine.
We need magnets we can sticky.
No. It looks like some sacrilegious idol that you're carrying around. rub it on this damn porcelain frog all day.
Rub the toad's
Wishing
belly.
it for luck.
Rub his belly.
We should have rubbed it before we got the freaking irritable cow syndrome. Or rusty cow syndrome. As you call
rusty
it.
cow syndrome, yeah.
It seems like it's irritable cow syndrome because both our cars have cow issues.
Alright.
All right, we're going to the dollar store to get some awesome. We're going to take the shag wagon. Yeah, the Honda is Hondo'd out.
Toadmobile
The 7-cylinder rally stick
is the new Toadmobile. This one's out of commission.
The rally. What are you going to do with this?
I was gonna put it in that.
Are you going to ward off crime with this butter knife? Are you going to butter some bread and throw it at them?
Why you gotta be at this?
Where's the apple? Oh, Jesus Christ, it's still in here.
It's fine. I got a bucket of starting the soil in there. I'm gonna put him in there. I'm gonna get him going for the winter.
I guarantee you that soil and that apple will be in here at springtime.
No.
It'll be growing through the roof of the van. Jesus Christ.
Now look, which one of you dumbasses is gonna make up your mind? There you go. Everybody got to get into Dunkin' Donuts to get their price down. Here's where the Mexicans sit and sell their pupusas.
What's a pupusa?
That's a good question too.
Is that extra belly they got in the front?
No. It's a little, I guess, a bread pocket, and they'll put in beans and cheese and meat, whatever you want.
Extra belly?
That's where we heading to right now.
We went into the Dollar Tree to get some awesome.
Tree.
You can get this stuff. It's unbelievable how cheap this stuff is. It will eat the skin off of your hands if you don't wear gloves. Awesome. How much is it today? $1.50.
Big one.
I have Spray 9.
You have enough?
Yeah, I got a whole full bottle at the house. I just cracked it open today.
All right.
I have one right there.
This is good. Simple.
I want a handle.
Okay. Take it.
Put your awesome in your brush and you can agitate it.
Or your teeth.
So we better get gloves. If you don't wear gloves, you'll know it the next day. All right, we're good. What the hell does this shit say? Look at that. Oil, glue, paint, pet stains, blood, grape juice, berry juice.
Yeah, your brother.
Varnish.
Berry juice.
Hey, my God. And it's biodegradable.
Oh, at the Burger King.
Can you read the evilness on the side?
I'm getting ready to see if it has acetaminophen in it.
No.
And it says vomit remover on it too, so you know it's going to take off grease.
Hey, stupid. You're not getting paid by them yet. So don't, none of the freebies.
Hair dye, hey, if your hair dye gets out of control for you blue hairs. Oh, and it's even in Spanish for you, Benny.
Oh, see.
See. You don't see shit.
Go. I'm hungry, damn it.
No, it's made in California. Oh, you know it ain't got nothing.
Oh, so you know it's perfectly safe.
Yeah, you can drink that, put that in your coffee. Awesome. I'm going to use the pressure washer.
Oh, never mind.
I'm going to put the rear on these. Greasy pig. Yeah, we're not even going to scrape any of the grease off of it.
How are we gonna compare the two?
We're going to put that spray nozzle in that bottle. We're not going to clean it.
Oh, okay.
We're just going to spray it. We're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. We'll spray half, Spray 9, half Awesome. We'll take the pressure wash it and see what works the best.
Now, how much was the Spray 9 versus the Awesome?
Spray 9 was over $9 and the Awesome was $1.50.
I had it up on the
I'm going to spray the inside too. Did yours have T-bolts in it? Mine had a regular bolt in it.
Well, this got T-bolts.
So, Benny, tell the viewing audience Where we got this rear from. Man, we had to go into the hills.
Ridgely, West Virginia.
Might as well been Saudi Arabia. Seemed like it was nothing around it whatsoever. He liked his Mopars.
He was
a little special.
How you work on a board? Bigger hammer.
Now, is that something you're gonna save?
Yes. Put new axle bearings on
I
it.
don't know.
New
Did you
axle
see the way
seals.
that's flat twisted up?
One of them is. Definitely was in a 4-speed car. Rears out of a 67 Mustang. Nope.
Easy.
I'll sandblast it after we get all the funk and grease off of it. You gotta have a sandblaster if you got rusty Fords.
Well, there's a couple nuts laying out here.
Oh my God.
Hey, you have to go and yank on the son of a bitch.
Hold on, let me go get the Benny nut finder tool. Up to the freezer.
Oh damn. Oh shit.
Catch it.
That's not good. It's like it never happened.
This is how you can tell a Chevrolet from a Dodge. Walk up to it with a magnet.
I done found it using a big ass herring.
The only one. Do two next. Benny's gonna do the spray 9 side and I'll do the awesome side. And we're not gonna clean any of this grease off. We're just gonna leave it all on there. You cannot get awesome on your blacktop driveway because it will eat your blacktop. Same with spray 9, it will eat it also.
Don't get it on my side, Dingy.
Quit talking. Show your ass.
I don't see that either.
We're gonna find
If it
out.
does at least the same for
For the price.
1/10 the price, no brainer.
Probably one of the best hidden degreaser secrets. We'll let it sit for like 5 minutes and we'll come back and we'll hit it again and then we'll pressure wash it.
We have to wait for it to dry to get a good idea.
Yeah.
Possibly.
So what are we doing now?
We're spraying it again, and we're going to use a brush. They're about the same. They cleaned about the same.
Don't be spraying them outside. The hell's wrong with you?
Dumbass. Put your tongue out here. Let me spray it.
So they're spraying it again, and this time agitating it.
I did half the pumpkin goofball.
That's right.
Trying to get this caked on grease off.
Rub away.
To be honest with you, I think they're about the same.
How's it scrubbing up?
Pretty good. They look like they're about the same for cutting power on the grease. We had a pretty heavy chunks there in the back. We had to do a little scraping with the brush, but it's definitely softening it up. You can see how it's getting all gooey. And it's, you know, it's 80 degrees out here, so it's probably drying before we can let it penetrate into the stuff, but it's doing a good job.
Let's see how it looks when it's rinsed.
It's gonna be brand new. 67 to 74 9-inch, 250 bucks. I'm not arguing.
Found on Marketplace.
Marketplace. I build most of my cars off Marketplace. We try to build them on a budget. There's a lot of good stuff out there. People buy these project cars thinking that they're gonna fix them up. And they never do, and then when they find somebody to work on them, they get shocked when they find out it's $150 an hour to do these cars. That's good. It's bad for them, good for me, because then I get the parts at half price. It's unfortunate, but it happens all the time. same.
They are the same.
They clean the same, but one is $9 and some change, and the other one's $1.50. So you can do what you want with that. I think, my honest opinion, I think the Awesome's a little more potent because Spray 9 doesn't do what Awesome does to your bare skin on your hands. I mean, Awesome will really take the moisture out of your skin. Spray 9's a little more skin friendly, but not much. No, they're both pretty aggressive cleaners. So $1.50, I think it's $9.70 something cents on Ace's website. You can do the comparison for yourself, but I'd much rather go buy a $1.50 bottle of Awesome and be done with it.
Let's go check the results. Oh, damn.
Yeah. Now, if we didn't scrub,
Now, we didn't do
It
the
wouldn't come
top
out.
side of the rear. We only did the bottom. But
Yeah,
took the
I mean-
chunks. Now, of course, this side has a little more baked on there. I didn't spend as much time on my side as Benny did, but it cleaned it. It cleaned the chunks off, and I would say they're about the same, for sure.
yeah. And look,
This is before. That's how thick it was.
I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the Chevy Orange here for added power.
Before, after. Spray 9 and Awesome do the same job.
All right, kids, I got a question for you. Y'all listening? Okay, I need to know which side did the better job cleaning. Would you say Awesome or Spray 9?
What do you think?
Awesome or Spray 9? Which one?
Awesome.
How about this one?
Bodie probably doesn't either.
Bodie, you got an opinion? Awesome or Spray 9? Red? Okay. All right, there you have it.
I would say spray 9.
We
Spray
say
9's
Awesome.
$9.70 for a bottle. Awesome's $1.50. I think they did about the same, is my opinion. So which one would you buy?
Obviously, I'm trying to save money. She thinks it's funny.
Okay. There you have it.
Kids don't lie.
Yeah. That's right.
Unless we need to. Oh,
Make sure you like, subscribe, send any questions you have to us, and we will
Spare
answer them as soon
cash.
as we can.
change,
Cash, change.
cash, change, credit card, and take it off. We're not shy.
All right. There you have it. We'll get it cleaned up and painted. That'll be in our next videos.